A very special thank you to Jaden and the team at West Coast Ford Lincoln for letting me review the 2019 Acura RDX. The exterior color is known as White Diamond Pearl. This is the 2019 Acura RDX Elite all-wheel drive with ELS Studio. You're looking at standard 19-inch alloy wheels. Acura's Pentagon Grille was first introduced in 2018 with the third generation Acura RDX that we have here in today's video. LED daytime running lights, LED turn signal indicators, powering this 2019 Acura RDX is a 2.0 liter 16 valve direct injection D08C VTEC turbocharged 4-cylinder. The steering wheel is really nice, very sporty, and here is your phone and media controls, as well as your driving aids. You're looking at a 7-inch color TFT meter multi-information display available on RDX Technology, A-Spec, Elite, Platinum Elite. Here are the apps that you can toggle through. Apps such as Bluetooth audio, as well as Android Auto. You're looking at a 10.2-inch HD color center display with true touchpad interface. The touchpad interface was very easy to use once you get to know how to use it. The infotainment system was very easy to use and very intuitive. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility is standard as well. To open the glove compartment, you simply press that button. Alright, let's check out what the back has to offer. You do have your ELS studio in the back for the back passengers. Alright, let's head inside and let's check out what other things the Acura RDX has to offer. Alright, you have a back seat pocket that you could fit your kids' iPads or large papers, and you have your 2 USB ports and heated seats. While I was sitting inside the Acura RDX, it felt like a luxurious Honda CR-V. Other things to mention back here are these 2 large cup holders. Alright, let's check out what the back has to offer. For RDX, Technology, A-Spec, Elite, Platinum Elite, standard cargo volume is 831. Here we have a storage bin that you could store personal belongings. To fold rear seats, simply pull on both levers on each side and the rear seats should fold down. Cargo volume, second row folded, will be 1,668. 60-40 split is standard across all trims. This wraps up our car review. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.